Hello watcher and subscriber. So here in this video I just guide you how you can record your PowerPoint presentation, or how you can record the video without purchasing any software or depend on the internet for recording the video. So this is totally free. So as you know, during this lockdown period many online classes have started up, so many people having confusion which recorder is best, how to download the recorder, and in the recorder some limitations are there, time limit is there, and some other problem also come up. But if you make a PowerPoint presentation, because in the online video mostly PowerPoint presentation is preferred, and it is a good tool for making a good video, powerful video for student understanding purpose. So for recording PowerPoint presentation, many people they search the screen recorder in Google, but there is no need to search any screen recorder because it is freely available in the PowerPoint presentation itself, and it doesn't have any limitation. That is the important thing. So how to record that, we will directly jump on that solution. So you just click on slideshow, and here record slideshow option is there. So here you are having two options, you can select any one. I am selecting record slideshow from beginning itself, start recording, and once you click that, whatever you talk, it is clearly recorded here. So then I am jumping on the second PPT, so whatever you talk, again it is recorded here. And once your presentation is over, you just hit on escape key, and then here you can show your voice icon is also, means audio file is there, it means your voice is recorded here. Now it's time to save that. So just click on file, and here you have to select save and send option, and after that create video option is there, and here you simply select the create video option. What your file name you want to give, just give that, and here you have to select the save option, and then finally the video will be created. And here it will take some processing time, it may be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, it depends on number of PPTs and size of your file. Means if the size is more or the duration of the PowerPoint presentation is more, then it will take the more processing. And once the processing will be finished, you can check the video in the folder. So here processing is finally done, so I am checking that file, so that I store in this folder. So this is my file, and here this is the video file, and your voice is recorded. So in this way you can record your voice, you can create the videos, and you don't need to depend on any software, any purchase software for that. So I hope friend you understood this, and I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.